Assalamu alaikum. This is Basam Hassan Khan, your mathematics teacher. Today we will be discussing some important problems of exercise 2.2. So we will start with question number 14. It says the line segment joining point P having coordinates -8, 10 and point Q having coordinates 6, -4 is cut by x and y axis at point A and point B respectively. Find the ratios in which A and B divide the line PQ. First, we will understand what this question is trying to say. This question is simply saying, as you can see in picture, we have a line P and Q which intersect at 2 points, namely A and P. It cut x-axis at A, which coordinate are x0, and at y-axis it cuts at B, having coordinates 0 and y. So as we have let the point A, so we will start by supposing something and solve our question. So let A divide the join of P and Q in the ratio m1 ratio m2. Since point A lie on x-axis, coordinates of A are of the form x0 for some x at x-axis. Since we know the value of y coordinate of point A, we will use the internal division formula for y. So it says y equal to m2 y1 plus m1 y2 over m1 plus y2, where we know the value of y is 0, value of y1 is 10 and value of y2 is -4. Now we will plug all the values in this formula. We get 0 equal to m2 into 10 plus m1 into -4 divided by m1 plus m2, which will give 0 equal to 10 m2 minus 4 m1, which will equal to 4 m1 minus 10 m2, which will give us m1 over m2 equal to 10 over 4, and we will get the ratio m1 ratio m2 equal to 5 ratio 2, and this is our required ratios of point A. Now similarly we will find the ratios of point B. Let point B divide the join of point P and Q in the ratio m1 ratio m2. Since point B lies on the y-axis, coordinates of B are of the form 0, y for some y on y-axis. Since we need to find the value of x coordinate both the coordinates, but we know the value of x coordinate of point B, so we will use the internal division formula for x to find the ratios of point P. So x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 over m1 plus m2. Here we know the value of x is 0, value of x1 is -8, value of x2 is 6. So we will have 0 equals m1 into 6 plus m2 into -8 over m1 plus m2. This will give 0 equal to 6 m1 minus 8 m2, and further we solve, we will get 8 m2 equal to 6 m1, m1 over m2 equal to 8 over 6 equal to 4 upon 3, and this will give us the answer m1 ratio m2 equal to 4 ratio 3, and these are the ratios of point B. Now moving to the next question, which is question number 19. It says the line joining the points P having coordinates 2, -3 and Q having coordinates Q -4, 5. This line is trisected. It means that the line is divided into 3 parts, and in order to divide a line into 3 parts, we need 2 points as shown in the figure below. We have to find the coordinates of these points of trisection. That is, we have to find the coordinate of these points which is used to trisect the line PQ.